Hello friends, today we'll be discussing about Jupyter and its role in Python. Jupyter is of course a planet in our solar system, but here in Python we call it as an IDE. It is an integrated development environment and it supports various languages like J#, Java, R, C++, Python and much more. So what does an IDE do? This integrated development environment is a platform where you can write your code, you can fix an error, and you can execute your code. So it has got three parts basically. First is where you write, that is the code editor, and if anything goes wrong, it debugs. So there's a debugging and there's compiling or interpreting. So since Python is an interpreted language, so each line is being interpreted, and if there's a problem, it will be told to you, so you go and correct it. So it is in Jupyter you get a notebook. So we have got an entire separate video on how to install Jupyter and start working with Jupyter. So please go ahead and see it. It's provided in the description link. And so now we talk about Jupyter. So why is it so important, and why only Jupyter? Why this ID? Why not another? So you've got various IDs like PyCharm, you've got Spider. You can go ahead, use it. But why I'm using Jupyter? Because of its interactive and efficient working. In Jupyter, you can visualize data very well, and it supports all the libraries, and it is very good for project management. You can share it. You can share it on GitHub Link. So it's very very efficient. So it also depends the efficiency of your code. How intelligent your IDE is, that you code less and you get more output. So this is what Jupyter makes it happen, that you're writing less but you're getting more. You're getting what you want. So this is very intelligent IDE. And integrated development environment, they are used for software development, for writing your code, even for debugging and getting the output. So this is the entire area, I can say, a platform wherein you can do anything with your code. You can just get complete control of what you're writing and what you're giving as an output. So please see the next videos of Jupyter, because we'll be working on Jupyter. Go ahead with any of the IDE of your choice, but I'll be choosing Jupyter to execute the Python codes as well as the machine learning codes. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in next videos. Thank you.